Hello everyone, this is Sunny from Wolf Equipment. It's my great honor to introduce a skid steer loader, ZJ45 today. This skid steer loader, the standard engine matches with the ZJ brand, which is 50 horsepower. The pump and the motor is from America. The multi-wheel is from Italy, which all ensure the machine have a great performance when working. The standard cabin is open type, and we also have fully enclosed type with glass for your options. Also, AC is, and here you can see the standard bucket. The width is 68 inches, and here you can see the cottage. It is the bobcat style. So there are a variety of attachments for you to choose. 我 stop 啊，我接着说。So a variety of attachments for you to choose, like the in-one bucket, trencher, excavator, auger, braking hammer, grass cutter, mower. So multi can be widely used in road construction and agriculture with compact structure, small turning radius. It is suitable for small, narrow working. Whenever you want to dig, work, or lift in a narrow space, the ZJ45 can always get the job done. Okay, this is all for today. Thanks for watching.